Hi my dear friends! In today's video I'd like to show you a great idea on how to make a soldering iron using a candle. To make our soldering iron we will need a candle, a small piece of copper wire, one screw, wooden brick and a square piece of plywood or laminate, and so on. First of all, we have to make a small ring at the end of the copper wire. We'll need pliers for that. Then pass a screw through this ring and fix it to the wooden brick. For that, we'll use a screwdriver. After we've twisted in the screw, straighten the copper wire. Now we stick the wooden brick using hot glue to our base. Well guys, our homemade soldering iron is almost ready. Take a candle, put it under the wire, and also remove the excess. Not too short, not too long. Now we just need to move the wire as close as possible to the flame and light up the candle. Now let's move on to testing. Here we have a small motor and two wires. Let's try to solder these two wires to the motor. To begin with, we take some solder. As we see, everything melts pretty quickly. Now the wire and the motor. So, the first wire is soldered, and we should do the same thing with the second wire. But that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and I also hope that our homemade soldering iron will help you out in a time of need. So don't forget to like and share, and as always, see you in the next one. Did you know? If you want to remove an old screw from a piece of wood, apply heated soldering iron to the head of the screw. That way it should come out much easier.